What's up, everybody? Jude Plumbing and Repairs here, and today we are doing a casuals cycle because I have it set to casuals on my GE belt drive washing machine. Alright, we have it set casuals cycle. The water is tap cold because we don't need to use hot water. I'll turn on the deep fill option. And then I think this is the right cycle that we're gonna need for this. And we have our detergent here. I'm gonna pour it all in, like so. Get some on the agitator. Doesn't really matter, does it? So yeah, where's the laundry cup? There it is. The bottle of detergent is on the floor right now. But if you guys haven't seen, which I just did this today, my new laundry room rug. Well, it's not necessarily new, just my laundry room rug. Because I put this here in front of the washer and dryer to make it look nice. Yeah, we'll get this cycle started. I guess it was kind of unnecessary of me to put detergent onto the agitator. We'll get this cycle started up. Deep fill option. And now we will start. It's a pretty good washer. It gets the job well done, like it should. It's filling up with water now. I'll spin the drum slowly, just so it could get all around. There we go. Because if I spin it fast, it's just, the washer's going to stop. Like, it's going to stop filling, because if it's me spinning the drum by hand and it's not the motor spinning it, because it's got sensors and stuff, it knows. It knows that the motor is not spinning it, and it's like someone spinning it with their hand. So it's a safety thing. So yeah, we'll let this fill up. And I will continue filming when it starts agitating. Alright guys, now we're agitating. Seems like it's doing a pretty good job. The dual action on this washer honestly isn't the best. It's not really the best dual action. It's a dual agitator. It's not a fake agitator. It's not a fake dual agitator like you would see on a Maytag Centennial washer. Like it's the corkscrew agitator. Looks like a dual agitator, but really it's fake. It basically serves no purpose. This one's a dual agitator, but the dual action is not really great unless I do this. The agitator dogs are good. They look good. I haven't used any fabric softener in this machine yet. When we first moved in this house, I think the people who bought the washer and dryer, I think they tested it out on a couple loads before they rented out the house. But yeah, it agitates, has pretty good agitation. The dual action is not good. I think if it was a full load of comforters or any big blanket, the dual action will be better. But yeah, just in a medium-sized load. The dual action is not that great. And the Maytag Performer washer, the dual action is a bit better. Speaking of, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that washer. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with the Maytag Performer washer. We might end up bringing it here. But the problem is, I don't know if it's gonna fit right in between the sink and the laundry tub. This is like an old hairdresser sink that's here. Doesn't work, but the drain pipes are still connected, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's the Maytag Performer washer. If I could get it to fit in between these two sinks, that's where it will go. If it doesn't fit, I'll just have it as much as I could get it to fit. I'll just have it in this spot. There'll still be room for people to walk into the laundry room and check in their laundry if we want to use this washer and dryer, we can. We're not bringing any dryer here. We might be bringing the Maytag Performer washer here. And I spoiled the surprise. That was the surprise, but I'm not really good at keeping stuff. I'm good at keeping secrets, but depends what it is. If it's about a washer coming here, I just gotta let you guys know. Because on the Maytag Performer washer video I filmed, that was probably the last video I filmed before this one, I got good views. I don't even remember how many views I have. But I got good views, and I think because of the views on that video of the Maytag Performer washer in action, that definitely inspired me to bring it here so I could do videos of it like every day or twice a day. And on the one video of the agitation cycle of this GE belt drive machine, that one got good views. I'm glad. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I feel a success. I feel like I'm succeeding in YouTube. I feel good about myself. And that is good. And these times are hard with this politics stuff, the coronavirus. These times are hard, but I make the best of them. I make videos and stuff for you guys. I want you guys to enjoy the videos I make. And yeah, I make good videos. I try to, at least. It looks like the washer is agitating good. Doesn't really have the best turnover. If the Maytag Performer was here, it definitely has a better turnover when it's washing clothes. What's it gonna do next? That's weird. It just had a little pause and now it's agitating. I thought it was gonna go into slow agitation. I don't know. The Maytag Performer washer definitely has a better turnover on clothes and stuff. Because it agitates a bit faster and it's an older machine. I like the older machines better. I know these newer ones are energy efficient and they have more options like extra spin, extra rinse, and the soak option, but on the Performa machine, I could just push the timer knob. I could just push it if I want the clothes to soak. And they'll soak. I could have them soak for as long as I want. And have them soak for like 30 years if I wanted to. I'm sure if I left clothes in the washer with the washer full of water for 30 years and I came back to open it in 30 years, who knows what it would look like. The clothes would definitely be covered in mold. Like, I would open the machine. It would get a 30-year soak, and clothes would just be mold everywhere. It would stink like sewage water. It would smell like a sewer, basically. It would smell. It would smell like a sewer plant with all the shit water and stuff. Wouldn't smell good. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch the cycle. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Slow agitation activated.